सही सेक्सी वन सेक्सी
What's up, you lovely people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Raj and welcome to Raj RideStories. If you have watched my previous video, लोगों ने अपने Ktm390 एडवेंचर पे एक नया जीवी वाला विंडशील्ड लगवाया था बाइक एंड बाइकर। हम लोग नया एक्सेसरीज फिर ऐड करने वाले हैं अपने 390 एडवेंचर में। Today we will be going to Bike and Biker, get the Givi Panniers and the rack as well. Spoke to Srijit already. He said the stock is available. Let's not waste time at the home and go to Bike and Biker and get all the stuff done. Don't go anywhere. I will show you each and every details of this luggage system here on this channel. If in case you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and support, and I will be bringing to you such content on this channel. Alright, let's go.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we are at the Bike and Biker. Time is like 11:30. We have come here and we're just waiting for the boxes to come. Exciting moment, dude. This we have Prem also. My brother is on the way, so he will be coming in some time. What's good?
और क्या?
He also seems to be excited like we are.
भाई monster लगेगा monster.
जल्दी राइड भी कुछ प्लान करेंगे and let's wait for the boxes to come and the racks as well. And in fact I have to remove the existing rack which is on my bike. नीचे we have a store, so वो शायद help कर देंगे हमको. This is the demo boxes. You can see, this is how it looks on your bike. It's 37 liters, right, each?
Yes.
Okay, 37 liters, and you have the top box as well. Display piece here, just to give the customer an idea of how the boxes will look. And you have the Grand Canyon here, Givi Canyon soft luggage system. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि आपका ये जो बैग है, जो से रैक हम लगा रहे हैं for the hard panniers, the same rack can be used for these bags as well, so you do not have to purchase separately. And you have the locking system as well. और अंदर आपको एक बैग आता है. Okay, so what you can do is you can leave your bags on your bike only, and you can take the inner line of it so that you can carry your luggage and go inside. So you have the black panniers also, which actually this comes in two colors, black and the silver one. This will cost you like 58,000, na? This one, and this one costs you 52,000. That's my box there. Chotu, open kar yaar. Yay!
Oh.
Wow, sexy.
Actually, this one is looking better than this. No doubt.
So, black and the silver next to each other. All right. So we have the rack here. So ये rack हम ले जाएंगे. We'll go down and get this fitted onto the bike first. That's how the space from inside looks. Spaces. Actually मेरा भाई का 32 liters I think. भास्कर का ना.
This is 38.
इसको लॉक कर दो. लॉकिंग सिस्टम दिखा देने एक बार. So guys, हम लोग नीचे गाड़ी लेके आए हैं and you can see the work is going on. और there's a small problem happened कि ये जो saddle stays है ये from out of motorcycle, obviously इसको निकाल देंगे, इससे कोई problem नहीं है, but we have a problem with the Motoren top rack. Okay, because of this design ये क्या हो रहा है कि the rack design of the Givi, it has a curve here. और ये जो टॉप रैक का कर्व है, सो इट्स एक्चुअली क्लैशिंग विद ईच अदर एंड इट्स नॉट अलाउिंग द Givi top rack to get into it. So because of which, for the time being, I have to remove the top rack completely and get the Givi rack installed and the side panniers. So these are the two racks what you have get, and you have all the bolts, screws, everything here. Okay, and let me show you in the skin. So this is and this is the actual 1-point mount. Okay, let's see, you know, once it fits onto the bike, we'll see how that looks. So अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे थोड़े बैठे हैं, बहुत गर्मी लग रहा है तो पंखा के नीचे बैठे थोड़ा हवा लग जाएगा. But yeah, I mean at times these kind of problems do appear. So इसीलिए it's always important, you know, to plan whatever additions you want to do onto your bike or any modifications well in advance if you're planning for any bigger trips or anything, because last moment में अगर ऐसा कुछ आ जाए then it's very difficult to, you know, really figure out करना भी क्या है. Because अगर मैं कोई बड़े राइड के पहले ही अगर ये सेटअप करवाने के लिए आया होता then it would have been difficult. तब मुझे पता चलता कि भाई ये टॉप रैक की वजह से ये साइड पैनियर्स फिट नहीं होंगे या फिर मुझे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज वंस द रैक इज़ फिटेड वी विल गेट द बॉक्सेस एंड यू नो पुट ऑन टू द बाइक एंड यू नो आई विल शो यू हाउ द बाइक gets that hooligan look after the complete overall of it. Now those frame hai, we are still waiting for my brother to come. So बोर लग रहा है क्या?
मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि कब वो पैनियर्स लगेगा और कब it look beast.
But for now we are just chilling out here. Office भी login करना है मुझे. बाद में करते हैं अभी. पहले अभी ये इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ चल रहा है. ठीक है. ये Okay, so हमारा ये फिटिंग जो है रैक फिटिंग, this is all done now. All right, so you can see so this curve is actually what's causing the problem for the top rack, which also, you know, actually goes from this side. So since this clashes actually with each other, so because of which मुझे वो निकालना पड़ा है. Okay, so ये पूरा मतलब setup इस तरफ है. This is on to the right side, this is on to the left side. So that's how the design looks. Okay, this whole setup. So you have the mountings here, here, and this as well. So this is the entire setup. Now let's
build
go
quality
to the
is very
top.
good.
Okay, क्या बोलता भाई?
Build quality is very good.
अच्छा है ना? अरे मेरा भाई भी आ गया है.
Hi guys. So build quality is very good. Couple of things which we need, like they have moved down this, right? Need to be
तो
down.
एग्जॉस्ट भी थोड़ा मूव कर दिया. द रीज़न बीइंग इसके बॉक्स तो लगेगा तो इसके वजह से उन्होंने एग्जॉस्ट को थोड़ा मूव नीचे कर दिया. एंड दिस क्लैम्प एक्चुअली कम्स विद द रैक ओनली. सो व्हेन यू परचेसिंग दिस रैक यू विल गेटिंग दिस clamp, so you do not have to pay extra for this. Also ये जो indicator है, ठीक है, you can see the clamp over here. So the Givi has given this clamp, so you can move the indicator bit rear, so that you know it will be much visible even when you put on the boxes as well.
And also this part, you need extra spaces for this. You need extra
you need
spaces.
spaces, okay, because अगर if in case you're not keeping the grab rails, ठीक है,
So it will not get
you get the bigger bolts you need to use. So हम लोगों ने ये spaces उनको कहा कि use करके you know make use of that. Say hi to Givi. So we got these straps as well. Okay, so just in case you want to, you know, carry the boxes, so that makes your life easy. All right, guys. So we are finally done with the setup on the 390 Adventure. Woo! So this reflector we got it done for now. Okay. So that's the whole setup here. That's the whole setup. Now I need to figure out the top rack also now. My brother show you the demo of, you know, how to remove, how to open the box.
So first thing is that you should always
so you get this extra thing. Okay, so actually you don't
Dust
वगैरह पकड़ने ही नहीं. ठीक है.
So now first open this. इसको थोड़ा घुमाओ.
Okay. And one more thing is, if you are not able to remove the lock, which means the box is unlocked.
Yeah. So one more facility is here. So the moment you do this,
and we have to just see, click,
yeah,
and you can take off your box. There's another provision here actually.
For example,
this is the reason why we want this is if in case I'm putting a top box, ये हमको श्रीजीत ने explain किया था. If I'm putting a top box, I'm trying to open.
For example, I will not
open
hold.
इसको.
I'll not hold. Wait.
Okay.
It will hold.
So what you can do is you can extend this box. This will actually give you a holder and others. Oh yeah. So that's how we have to do.
See, whenever in the lock stage only you should open. You shouldn't open one or lock.
Exactly.
Okay,
So that's the whole thing.
Same पे GoPro. ऊपर लेके जा. हो गया.
ऊपर and
GoPro.
That's it. This is how it looks. The whole thing.
Right. The moment the lock opens, it will take open, right? Actually,
That's the whole thing. And we got the straps also, so that in case when you want to carry your panniers, it will be easy for you to hold and move. Hold and move.
Hey, congratulations! Panniers! Sahi. Sexy one, sexy one. Perfect. But it looks crazy.
Super.
How is it? How is it? How is it for you guys?
So guys, so जैसे मैंने कहा पूरा फिटिंग हो गया है, इंस्टॉलेशन खत्म हो गया है, and really happy that finally I got the panels on the V90 Adventure, and I believe the bike is looking huge now. Okay, and it got the beast mode as well. So the entire setup costs like 70,000 rupees overall. This costs you 52,000. The racks cost you 17,500. So you can imagine, like, I know it's an expensive investment, but I believe that from the long-term perspective, just like the windshield, I think this makes more sense. And maybe these boxes, if in case you're changing the bike also, what you can do is you can get them installed on a new bike. So that's the reason why I wanted to invest in these boxes, and keeping in mind the long-term perspectives of it. But the rack is something which you have to change in case you are changing your bike. But otherwise, as long as you're sticking to this bike, this entire setup is all this. The time is like 3 o'clock. We didn't have the lunch, so we are feeling hungry. So I've done the payment. So now it's time to leave this place, go home, or find a hotel to have a lunch, and then head towards the home. So I hope you like the video. If you have any questions pertaining to the boxes or any of these setup, you can let me know. I'm actually planning to make a video on the entire modifications what I've done on my bike. So if in case you have any questions pertaining to this, put it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Connect with me on the Instagram handle, so that if you have anything, I will be able to clarify, help, and share the information as much as possible with you guys, as always. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like, give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, and if you like my content, consider subscribing and supporting the channel. Thank you so much once again. Live life, keep traveling, follow your path, and signing off, Raj. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, Jai Hind.